Hello, class 7th. In previous class, we learned the different components available in Adobe Flash CS6. Now let's learn how we can use the toolbars available on Flash CS6. The different toolbars available in Flash CS6 and the different settings available in Flash. Selecting object. For after creating any object or any design, any shapes on a flash, you need to select for adding some more options on it. So how we can select any object in flash, let's check. This is our flash window. When we create any shape or any image, insert any image on it, we need to select. We draw any shape here. I'm just selecting this one and create a simple shape here. Now I want to select this shape. So here is the selection option. The first tool, arrow tool जो दिख रहा है वो selecting tool है. Click on this selecting tool and drag your mouse over the object. आपको माउस को ड्रैग करना है अपने ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर लेफ्ट क्लिक प्रेस करते हुए. Release the left. When you release the left click, this shape is selected. अब ये shape क्या हो गई है हमारी? Select हो गई है. So this is how you can select any object on your flash window. Transforming the shape. The second tool is transforming the shape. Transforming is done by using the free transform tool. Transforming जो होता है वो free transform tool के through होता है. Using this tool we can rotate, compress and stretch different objects. हम इसको use करके rotate कर सकते हैं object को, compress कर सकते हैं या stretch कर सकते हैं अपने object को. How we can do this thing? Let's check. I have already created a shape here. I'm just trying to design some other shape. Click on here and choose the polystar tool and design a polystar here. Okay, so this is the polystar I'm designing here. Here is the free transforming tool. The third option available on tool, the free transforming tool. Again click on it, select your shape. The shape is selected. Now you can screw, stretch and you can rotate it also. You can rotate it also. Rotating an object. If you want to rotate your object, you need to follow some steps. Let's check what are the steps are available. For rotating your object, first you need to select this particular thing. जो भी आपको ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करना है आप उसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे. देन क्लिक ऑन मॉडिफाई. Here you find the option of transform. Transform option available here and click on rotate and skew. When you click on rotate and skew, now these, as you see on your screen, there are black dots available. This is called handle. These dots, black dots are called handle. Now move your mouse on any handle. You can see the rotate sign on mouse and now you can rotate your shape. So this is the step how you can rotate your shape. Skewing an object. Skewing means slanting the object to a specific angle along one or both the axis. स्क्विंग का मतलब होता है कि आप अपनी इमेज को स्लैंटिंग पोजीशन के अंदर लेकर जाओ किसी भी एक्सिस के अकॉर्डिंग, आइदर इट्स इन एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस. There are some options available for these things. Let's check how we can do this. Object. First, you need to select using a free transforming tool. Now, click on Windows. Here is the option of transform. Click on transform. This dialog box is appear. The dialog box is appear. Here you find the skew option. You can option is skew option. Select the rotation type. Just I am giving here 30 and here I am giving 50. So look, my image is slanting position change, and it is skew in directions. So this is the option you can use for skewing your particular object. Flipping an object. You can flip your object in the direction. So follow some steps for flipping the objects. Let's check what are the options available. The first thing, you need to select that particular object. Either you can double click on it or you can choose this selective tool object. Click on modify form, or here is the option of flip vertical and flip horizontal. You can click on flip vertical, the vertical position is changed. Again, modify, transform, flip horizontal. So this flipping your ऑब्जेक्ट, फ्लिप का मतलब बेसिकली होता है कि बना देना, इमेज बना देना, आइदर वो वर्टिकल फॉर्मेट में होगी या हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्मेट में होगी, मिरर इमेज क्रिएट करना. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज इन मॉडिफाई, ट्रांसफॉर्म एंड फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड फ्लिप, क्रिएटिंग अ flip option. Moving an object. You can also move the selecting object to another location on the stage. आप अपने जो भी आपने सेलेक्ट कर रखा है ऑब्जेक्ट, आप उसको किसी और स्टेज, किसी और जगह पर लेकर जा सकते हो, मूव कर सकते हो. There are some options available for. Let's check what are the options. Moving an object. First, we need to select the particular object. Either you can select with the tool or you can double click on it, the object. Now press the left mouse button and drag your object. You can drag it any place on your stage and release when you reach a particular position where you want to move your object. Release your mouse button. Your object is moved at that another location. The next one is copying an object. Follow some steps for copying the object. Let's check what are the steps are available. Object. You need to select that particular object which you want to copy. Click on edit. Here is the option of copy. You can use this one or you can use Ctrl C option available on your keyboard. And then click on paste in center, paste in place, paste in special, anything. Now your object is pasted here. You can move at the place where you want to keep it here. Okay, so this is the option for copying your objects. Grouping an object. When an object is drawn, the borders are independent of the content position of the object. जब आप कोई ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कर देते हो, आप चाहे वो सर्कल बना रहे हो या रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हो या कोई और इमेज आपने ली है, कुछ भी आपने किया हो, उनके सबके जो बॉर्डर्स होते हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं, सब अलग अलग होते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू मूव दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस कंप्लीट ऑब्जेक्ट एट सम अदर प्लेस, दिस मे कॉज अ प्रॉब्लम. ये एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है क्योंकि वो पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव नहीं होगा और आपको सबको अलग अलग मूव करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर इज अ नीड टू ग्रुप बोथ दीज थिंग्स इनटू वन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो हमें उन सबको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उनको ग्रुप करना पड़ता है. सो हियर आर द सम ऑप्शंस हाउ वी कैन ग्रुप our object. Let's check what are the options available. For grouping an object, first you need to select all the objects. As I'm saying, if I want to move this particular image somewhere, so first I have to remove this one, then I have to move this one. So it causes an error. So we use the move option available in Flash. First, we need to select this one. Click on Modify. Here is the option of Group. Click on Group. Now, this object is completely one. You can easily move this complete object anywhere. And you can also ungroup this thing just clicking on modify and ungroup. Now all are separated. So these are the options available for grouping and ungrouping your object. So this is it for today's class. We'll continue in next class. Thank you.